y'all, welcome to How To From Me to You. We are going to go over Traffic Ivy today. This is a swanky, savvy solution for real trackable traffic. So we're going to start with the home page right here. This is so exciting. What this is for anyone that wants to be the ultimate affiliate. If you want to promote your own business, your own products, whatever it is that you have that you want to get in front of everybody in the world, this is the place to be. Why is this so amazing and attractive? It keeps it classy. What it does is you could buy traffic right here, or you can earn traffic. And to earn traffic, what you're doing is you're helping your brothers and your sisters out, and you're posting their articles within your personally classy, already tended to social media sites. You're willing to post their stuff on your site. It's like you get paid to share what your friends are doing because you love them anyways and you would do it for free. But this way you get these like awesome points for doing it. And then in turn, when you have something important that you want to promote or you want to share and you want to get out there in the world, you can take those points. Let's say you got 10 points for sharing your best friend's article that was part of Traffic Ivy, and then you made those 10 points. Now you can use those 10 points and someone else promote your stuff for you. So exciting. It's classy, it's organic, it's evergreen, and it's gonna grow. So what this is right here, this is the community statistics, which is real time. So we have, as of today, 234 members, and that's going to grow. Blogs in network, 65, and that's going to grow like ivy. Actually, down in the south, what we like to say, it's like kudzu on the highway. Yeah, that green stuff that suffocates the trees. Well, this is like the good ivy, right? So, it's going to grow. Social accounts in network, 161. It's going to grow. Total social shares, 54. Hot diggity dog. Your points earned. Well, see, this is a demo account because this product I can't buy until tomorrow. So, it will be soon to say plus. Traffic points spent. Number of shares received. All right, so now that's a little about the community statistics. Again, it's real time. Then you have, your cute handy dandy picture right there will be like smiling, big, purty, and cutie. Now, you can go your assets. Let's see what these little doors reveal. Social media. Boom. Your YouTube account. Your Facebook. Your Twitter. Your Pinterest. LinkedIn. Reddit. WordPress. Traffic campaigns. Oh. I just added that. I need to delete that. So, I was just kind of kidding. I was just practicing. So, I'm going to go ahead and delete that thing right there. Yeeks. Okay. Well, for now, just so y'all know, I just made a little cute campaign. I said, welcome to Cryptoland, how to trade crypto, campaign points, social points. I did a boo-boo, didn't do it right. So, eeks. I'm just going to click delete right there. Yeah, we're going to delete that. But that's so cool. It worked. All right. But we will add that in a little bit. I just need to make sure I do everything up right. Okay, manage ad sets. Well, then you name, the size, and the action. Statistics. All right. Once you do a campaign and you complete it, it's going to tell you content, test B, test BA, test BA. How to get more traffic. And here's the thing, you get these ratings. People can rate your traffic. So if you're not doing a good job or they're not doing a good job, you can work it all out together. So exciting. Your profile. This is review access. It's a demo, but you'll be able to put all your information here. And ban, unban users. You have blacklisted 0 emails. Your country blacklist is currently empty. Your IP blacklist is empty. That's quite exciting. Training and support. Ooh, can't wait. All right, Traffic Ivy knowledge base. The overview. You get a walkthrough on WordPress plugin creating your first campaign. Our points, what are points used for? How do I earn points? Adding assets, how to connect your Facebook, your WordPress, your Twitter, your Reddit, your YouTube. How to create campaigns. For goodness sakes, y'all are going to get an advertised, like a huge, huge book of knowledge on how to be, how to basically market your product online. This is going to be amazing for a low, low price. Create a social media campaign, create an article, video campaign. Ooh, this is getting better by the seconds. Getting the best results with Traffic Ivy. How to install Traffic Ivy, rate it, the community members, promote an article, promote an advert, how to promote social campaign, Jiminy Crickets, and even a support ticket. You got that right. This is looking really good. All right, now, how it works. Connect your social media, earn points for sharing relevant community content, spend your points on targeted traffic to your own offers. I am so excited. All right, so here's the link. Check it out. Click it. You're going to love it. All right, so when you want to make money online, or if you want to actually learn how to generate some interest in your product or project, this is the way to go, y'all. This is the new wave of the future. It's almost like a bartering system. You can buy it or you can barter it. You can earn it or you can buy it. It's keeping it classy. You guys are going to love it. I'll see you on the member side. Wait, I forgot. I have 14 bonuses that I can send you. I'm going to preview them right now, really quick. I'm just going to scan through them. There's so many, guys. These will get you launched onto your own marketing business journey to like forever ever retirement land. You're going to love it. So if you get on today, you email me at Suzy Q Online, that's SUZIQQUE online.com, and you follow my link and you use my affiliate link to buy this, I will be so thankful and grateful. I'll send you all 14 bonuses. Check it out. You're going to love it. I'll see you on the inside. Right, for the 14 bonuses, bonus 1 is Big Traffic Fire Sale. I will send you these. Bonus 2, Image Sharing Profit Reports. Bonus 3, Instant Content Creator. Jiminy Crickets. Bonus 4, Turbo GIF Animator. Bonus 5, Modern Facebook Marketing Guide. Bonus 6, Authority Blogging Report. Bonus 7, Social Traffic Rush. Bonus 8, Evergreen Internet Profit Video Course. Bonus 9, Content Syndicate Video Course. Bonus 10, Modern Twitter Marketing Video Course. Bonus 11, Content Marketing for Beginners. Bonus 12, Social Media Boom Software. 13, they keep coming, Build Your Tribe. And bonus 14, Modern Social Media Marketing. Hot diggity dog, y'all, there is so much content here. I think that this is like absolutely amazing. This is phenomenal. You're gonna just love it. So I will see you in the members area, and I'm sure I'll be promoting your stuff. All right, so that's a wrap. You got this. I can't wait to see you on the member side.